Hi everyone! So today I'll show you how I fit my weaving studio, all of my weaving supplies, into my bedroom. So first you can see here I have my loom right next to my bed. I have this really pretty white fabric I'm working on right now. That will be a pillow. And then I have my little basket of yarn that I'm using for this project. Then I have my bed. I have a few pillows here that I made. This really pretty yellow and pink. I have this knit pillow. That was fun to make. I have this blue pillow. This is one of the very first things I ever wove, actually. The sewing job on the top is a little rough and messy, but and then this pink pillow, another one of the first things I ever wove. I really love all the braided parts here and the tassels. They're really pretty. So that's my pillow collection there. And next over here, I just have some of my decorations for my room. I have this lamp here that I actually made. Cut out all those pieces, which is cool. Little K for Karena or Kaluma. This is the second piece that I ever wove. This is supposed to be an angel with some gold rays shining down on her. I think it's really beautiful. I'm gonna hang it up on the wall at some point, but it's just sitting here. So here's my lamp. I think it's really cool how the light shines through these flowers and circle details. Okay, and then this shelves here are all my pieces that are already made and ready to be sold. So I have some mug rugs here that are waiting to be sold. A really cool diamond whale pattern on them. This is a dyed scarf. This scarf down here is the very first thing I ever wove. Just some more scarves, and yeah, that's a hair scarf there, the pink one. And then over here are some hats. They have a lot of cool details on them, so you can check those out on my Instagram if you want. Here are some boxes that I use to ship things, and this is the skirt that I just finished actually. This is my scrap blanket that I'm working on. All my scrap pieces of woven and fabric I sew onto there. These are some linen pieces I made. This is a headband and a scrunchie. This is just, these are some hair scarves, a short one and a long one. This is just some more fabric, some fleece and linen here. And more boxes, bigger boxes for scarves and things. And this is my big basket of yarn. A lot of fun yarn in here. And then this is my table with some other smaller supplies. This is my pom-pom collection. And all these pom-poms I use for packaging my pieces and just decor. So these are my pins here. These pins are pretty cool here. They're rose gold. I use these to put the tags on the pieces that I sell. And this is my button collection. I have a lot of fun buttons in here that I'm waiting to use on something. And some thread. I have some cool pink and gold there. This is some thick elastic. And these are all my small balls of yarn that I keep in here so they don't get lost in my big basket. And here's some needles that I just keep hooked through there. This is my notebook where I keep all my notes for each of my pieces, numbers and things like that. And my sewing machine here. This is a really cool copper thread that's kind of fun to use. And this blanket here I actually made. It has a lot of fun little raya pieces here that are nice in texture. Okay, so that's how I fit everything I need for my weaving in my bedroom. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And you can check out my website and Instagram if you want to see more pictures. Thanks, bye!